The PUNEHOD XP600 DTF printer offers an exceptional printing experience tailored for creators and businesses alike. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price. Whether you're designing for t-shirts, caps, bags, or other apparel, this all-in-one package has what it takes to deliver professional quality results every time. With its powerful XP600 printhead, this printer boasts a print speed that's 200% faster than conventional DTF machines. You'll be able to push through large volume orders efficiently without compromising on quality. It supports print resolutions of 1440 by 1440 and 2880 by 1440 dpi, ensuring stunning clarity, rich color vibrancy, and smooth gradients across every design. The dual white ink channels, CMYK plus WW, mean your prints will pop on both light and dark fabrics. What truly sets the L8058 model apart is its intelligent white ink recirculation system. This helps prevent ink from settling or clogging the printhead, reducing downtime and maintenance. Combined with its automatic cleaning system and ink agitation function, your printer remains clean, consistent, and ready to perform whenever inspiration strikes. The upgraded roller design and precise cutting blade allow you to cut film at any point, without wasting material or time. That means more efficiency, fewer interruptions, and less waste during production. With a max print width of 8.3 inches, this A4-sized printer is ideal for small businesses or at-home creators looking to produce custom merchandise or launch their own apparel line. This complete bundle includes not only the DTF printer itself but also an oven for curing prints, 6 250ml bottles of vibrant DTF ink, a 100-meter roll of film, DTF powder, software drivers, and instructional materials. Everything you need to get started is right in the box, making it a great value whether you're a beginner or experienced in direct-to-film printing. From cotton and polyester to leather and hoodies, this machine prints on almost any type of fabric. The consistent output, minimal waste, and support for a wide range of materials make it the perfect addition to any print shop, craft room, or custom apparel business. And if you ever run into a hiccup, PUNEHOD offers professional after-sales support, promising to assist you within 24 hours so your workflow doesn't skip a beat. Whether you're scaling up or just starting your DTF journey, this machine delivers a professional finish without the professional price tag. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.